Hello everyone and welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make this air fried miso glazed cod. This was frozen that I got from Costco. It is super good, super delicious, and very easy to make, less than 10 minutes. So let's get started. What I have here is this miso glazed cod. Again, got it from Costco. This is wild caught from Iceland. This comes with a recipe in the back, which I'm going to try next time because I don't have bok choy with me, but this looks delicious. It has how to bake, grill, and how to cook it on conventional oven. But I'm going to make this using my air fryer since there's no instruction for it. So let's start. This comes with 6 pieces, which I'm only going to cook 3 pieces because my air fryer is not that big and there's only 3 of us. So make sure you brush the basket with oil so then this fish will not stick into the basket. Place the cod fillet into the basket just like what I'm doing right here. Simply put this in an air fryer. I have a Cosori Air Fryer. It comes with a preset button already for fish, which is 350 degrees for 8 minutes. And that's all you have to do. After 8 minutes, here you go. This smells so good as well. This is like going to a Japanese restaurant. You could buy your own miso paste as well in the Asian market if you don't want to do this frozen one, but this actually is so good, guys. It cooks perfectly as well. Just top it with green onions like what I'm doing right here, or lemon. I ended up using the broth as well, or the sauce of it, so I removed the basket and placed that sauce on top of the rice, or you could put it on a vegetable as well. The meat cooks perfectly. Less than 8 minutes, the fish is done perfectly. I hope you give this recipe a try, and please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone for watching. Again, please subscribe to our channel and share this recipe. Thank you everyone. Until next time. Ciao.